The ultimate whistle showdown. Ever wondered how loud a whistle can get? Let's find out! First up, the basic 50-cent whistle. Cheap but surprisingly loud. Then, the $6 hand whistle. Squeeze the pouch, and you get a short, sharp blast. Next, the referee whistle, built for stadiums. This thing can be heard a mile away. Now, the $60 Tesla Cyber Whistle, made of medical-grade stainless steel. It's 10 times heavier, but only a little louder. Then the emergency hurricane whistle, producing 3 tones at once to cut through chaos and save lives. But the king? The hyper whistle, with a 2-mile range and even works underwater. Even with ear protection, it's deafening. Follow for more.